Hello coders, today's we are going to solve the problem number 54 of LeetCode. This is a spiral matrix problem. So first understood the questions, what question is asking about. So we have given an m cross n matrix. We have to return all the elements in the spiral order. So question is very easy. We have to return like this in this form 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 8, 7, 4, 5. In the same way, second example, we have this matrix, and now we have to return 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 12, 11, 10, 9, 5, 6, 7. So basically, we have to traverse on the matrix in spiral form. So question will say how to perform this task. We have to iterate on the border, then go inside in the same way. Iterate on in the border and then go inside. So how to solve this? So here's the solution. So what do we do here? First we make a answer array, or we can say answer vector for C++ people. So here we make a answer array, and we take the order of the matrix that is given, which is m cross n. So first we do m equals to matrix dot length. What it will give? It will provide us number of rows. Means this is our total matrix. If we calculate its length, then what will it provide? How many number of elements are there in the matrix? So there are three elements, which means three rows are there. So matrix dot length will provide us number of rows, and for the number of column, what we do? We take individual matrix like this, and we take its length. So this will give us the number of column in the matrix. So in this way, we calculate our m or n, we can say order of our matrix. Now we have to iterate. So what I do here, I make four iteration, or we can say four iterators: starting row, starting column, ending row, ending column. Here we make four iterators: starting row, starting column, ending row, ending column. So we will iterate using this one. So first we make a while loop, and this is a condition for the while loop. I will explain why this is. Look at there. This is starting row less than equals to ending row, and starting column is less than equals to ending column. What I means, whenever starting row is greater than ending row, then it will break. It will work till the starting row is less than equals to ending row. Means this is our starting row and this is our ending row. As ending row will go up and starting row will be down. If both are cross each other, then we have already traversed all the array. So we no need to go further. So this is the condition for the starting row, ending row. In the same way, starting column and ending column. Starting column is greater than ending column, then it will break because we already traverse all the array. Think about it. Okay, so move further. So what we do here, we move like this. First we print top, then right, then bottom, then left, then go inside. This is the basic logic. So there's nothing for printing the top. What we do here, we start from the starting column to ending column from 1 to 3, and normally we add it into the array, this answer array. So from I starting column to ending column, and we add it. So this is for top. Now we have to think for the right. What we do, what we can do here? This is our starting row, and this is our ending row. So what we will do? We have to move starting row to ending row, means 369 means starting row to ending row. So we make a loop starting row to ending row, and we add this simple. So what we done here, you see focus there, starting row plus 1, we take starting row plus 1, not starting row. Why it is? Because we already add 3 in this one. While we are traversing to the top, we are already added to 3, but now we have to add 6 and 9. If I take starting row simple like this 3 will be copy again. Okay, so this will be not like this. Yeah, okay. So starting row plus 1, now we have to put 6 and 9 into the array, because we already traverses to 3 now. So this is for the right. Now the main thing came, bottom and left. There are two special case for the bottom and top. Here you see we have to traverse bottom. How to do this? This is, you see, this is our ending column, this one, and this is our starting column. Ending column to starting column. We have to move like this. Ending column to starting column. Which means ending column is greater than the starting column. So what we do here? We will traverse from the ending column to the starting column in the reverse method and add this. Okay, simple. In the same way, left means this part. This is our ending row, or this is our starting column. No, starting row. Same way we can do. Yeah. So ending row to starting row. We take from ending row to starting row in the reverse manner, and we add this on the our answer. Now you see we have taken two conditions. If starting row equals to ending row, then we have to break, and then starting column equals to the ending column, then we have to break. Why we are doing this? This is because we want to go inside this. Like if starting row equals to ending row, starting row, this is our starting row, and this is our ending row. If both are equal, then we no need to traverse in bottom, right? In the same way, starting column equals to the ending column, starting column, ending column. If both are equal, then we no need to go for left. Understood? So this is the logic behind this. And in the last we are updating starting row plus plus, ending column plus plus, ending starting row plus plus, starting column plus plus, ending row minus minus, ending column minus. And in the last we have to return the our answer matrix. So if I submit it, okay, so it's submitted. So this was for today. See you in the next video. Okay, bye bye.